In this video, I'm going to show you some strategies to find some meme coins at a very cheaper price and make a lot of profit from those meme coins. Now, this was the same method I used to find Moondeg at $3 million market cap, and it ran to over $150 million market cap. Also, I used it to find this coin Cyrus, and I bought it with 3 solana and made about 7.9 solana in just a very short period of time. And the other coins like Trump that I invested 7 solana and made over $1,400 as profit. Now, there are 4 platforms I'm going to mention in this video. The first is dexscreener, the second is Celio, the third is Twitter, and then the fourth one is BonkBot. So this strategy is going to cover these 4 platforms, and with that we could find the next coin we can buy and hold them to make profit. So let's get started with this video. So first, you need to go to dexscreener.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description. So I want to find coins that have been trending in a couple of hours or 24 hours. So I can go ahead and click on 24 hours right here. So next, I might want to do some filter and select all platform. I want to restrict it to just Solana and Ethereum. That's all. I'll click on save. And if I want to add some details here, I can actually add, but let me just leave it and then click on apply. So this is just going to give me coins under Solana and Ethereum because that's where most of the coins are doing well so far. Now, next thing I want to do is over these 24 hours, I'm going to click on it to make sure it gives me the coin that has the most return in the past 24 hours. You can see this coin right here has done 87,000% in 24 hours. This has done 72,000%. This has done 35,000%. And like that. Now you have to be very careful here because at this point you might just go and buy one token that is not very good and you end up losing your money. Next thing I want to do is I want to select any coin of my choice. So for me, I'll go with Lily, which has done very well in the past 24 hours. I can click on it, and if you notice, this coin actually ran from less than $25,000 market cap and it went as high as $6 million. This is 5 minutes time frame. Let me put it on 1 hour. And you can see this coin literally ran from $25,000 market cap. In 1 to 3 hours, it got to almost $6 million market cap in 3 hours. That's crazy returns if you actually invested in this coin. So next thing you want to do is you want to see, I'm going to pull this forward, click on top traders. Now, under these top traders, there are different sections here: 30 days, 7 days, 3 days, 1 day. So I'm going to click on 1 day because I just want to filter the guys that recently bought it and made profit. So look at this first guy here who bought with $583 and he sold for $72,000 just today. Next guy bought with $172 and he sold for $56,000. So you're already seeing some crazy profits so far. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to click here, and let me also click on the second person too because he also performed well. Now, before I continue with that section, let's go back to it. What you need to ensure is check to see that the total amount of the coins the person bought is what the person sold. Like this guy bought 28 million, he sold 28 million. This guy 20 million, he sold 20 million. This guy 35 million. Now, there are some guys that will buy only 1 million and they will end up selling like 10 million. Those kind of wallets, you should actually avoid them because like this one here, he bought 3.3 million and he sold 12 million. So where did he get the rest of the 12 million? It simply means he bought with other wallets and he actually transferred all of them to that one wallet and sold them at once. So you should avoid this kind of people because it won't give you the best result in terms of the best persons to actually look out for their trade. So that's why I went for these first 2 persons over here. So next thing I'm going to do is let's go over and then see what they have here. So this guy is holding 143 solana, which is worth around $22,000, and then there's about 20 tokens worth $34,000. So I might want to see the tokens he's holding. Mona, Leo Pump. So you can see some of the tokens he's holding. Now, oftentimes, if I found this person as a good trader, I might want to proceed with the next step, and that is by clicking on differ activities. And you can look out for some of the coins he has been trading. But let's check to see if this guy is actually a good trader by copying his wallet address, and let's go ahead to use Celio. Alright, so when you open up Celio, this is how it shows up. Next thing you want to do is to paste his wallet address and search for it. So you can see that you won't be allowed to continue until you connect your wallet. So I'll click on connect wallet, click on get started, select, I'm going to use MetaMask to do it. You can also use Phantom wallet. So I'll select MetaMask. And I want to connect it to this wallet. Click on next, click on confirm, and next I have to verify address. Click on it, click on confirm. So that's done. So right now I can start checking those wallets. So you can see that person's wallet over here, with around $22,000. So next thing you want to do is to click on token PNL and look out for what is the ROI he has made so far. You can see he has made about $54,000 in the past 30 days. ROI is about 62%, which is quite small. But his win rate is about 35%, quite horrible too. Although someone with this kind of win rates could actually make more profits than losses if you actually know, if you actually understand risk management. So I want to go to 1 day and let's see what his ROI looks like in 1 day. You can see in 1 day he has netted about 2,700% in the past 1 day, and has actually traded about 7 tokens, which he encountered losses in about how many of them and made profit in just this one. So I want to also check for 7 days. Now it could be that this guy is actually an insider and he knew a lot about that this coin is going to do, and that's why he bought it and then he made his profit. You really can't tell, but this is it most times. So let's try out this second guy, which we checked out his wallet. You can see he's holding about $50,000 in Solana and then about $76,000 in other tokens. So I can go back to Celio and let's paste this second guy's wallet address and let's see if I'm going to get a better result. So I'm just going to click on token PNL. Overall, you might want to use this method to look for several wallets. Just the same thing I've done. Look out for coins that have done well. Check the top traders and see that everything matches. Come to Celio and check all of these things. Now, let's go back and use the last person. You go back and now under these DeFi activities, you can look out for the coins he's actually buying. That is, if his trade has been profitable in the past 30 days or 7 days. Just look out for those metrics, and if they're profitable, then I want to look out for what he has been trading. So this guy here bought Lily. He sold this Lily for 7 Solana. You can see this is sell. So what you're interested in is looking for when he swaps his Solana for a particular token. You can see he bought Lil Pump in the past in 3 hours ago. He bought with 9.9 Solana. So you might want to copy his wallet address, then go to dexscreener and let's search for Lil Pump. So I'll elongate this and search for Lil Pump. So this is it right here. So under this section, I'll drag this down, and under this maker section, I'm going to paste his wallet address to see when he bought, and you can see when he actually bought. So far he has bought about $7,000 and he has sold $5,500. He's still holding $1,600. So I want to see reasons. If this is not a coin he has traded a lot before, I want to see, okay, did he actually buy the bottom, or did he just buy them? So for this kind of coin, he has had several trades on this coin. I might want to just leave it on this coin and focus on the ones he has not had several trades. And so let's look at another coin, Mona. So I'll search for Mona this time around. It hasn't done well too. So I'll just focus on coins that are quite performing, and then let's see when he bought. He has also bought a lot of this coin. So this guy is actually an active trader. I wouldn't want to copy this kind of guy's trade. I would want to look for someone that just buys, let's say 1 or 2 buys and then sells for huge profit at the top instead of buying several times and selling several times. So let's look out for another trader. All right, so with that same method, I've actually found this wallet that's holding about $2.2 million in tokens. So this guy is actually a whale. He's holding $1 million in Dog with Heart and $1 million in Moondeg. That's actually huge. If you come to the DeFi activity section, you can see he actually swapped this coin for this particular coin. So this was the recent coin he bought. Now might want to track to see if the coin is performing well and how you can actually copy him. So I'll copy his wallet. I'll search for it on dexscreener, and I'm going to paste his wallet on the maker section and see he actually bought with $2,700 and $2,900, and that's about $5,700. And you can see that he has an unrealized profit of $6,900, almost $7,000. So he's yet to be in big profit. So if he hasn't made a lot of profit yet, you might want to actually jump in with him, or look at the chart first of all. So I like to identify what the chart is doing. So we had this move, we had the second move again, and we had this move here. So I'm presuming that this might most likely start going up from here. So I can actually buy some from this point since the chart actually says so. If you understand chart patterns, Yeah, so you might want to buy some here, and then if there's some db, you might buy a little bit more again on here, and maybe your stop loss slightly below. Or sometimes some of us don't set stop loss on meme coins. We actually buy them, and if it goes, it goes. If it comes to profit, that's good. So you can also do it the way you want. If you want to take profit, or if you want to set your stop loss, it's fine to set it. If you don't want, just invest the amount you're willing to risk on that particular trade. So just in case it goes out, you're able to forfeit that one. But there are cases whereby a token dies, and then after 1 year, the tokens still come back again, and you'd have made profit. It has happened a lot this season, so you might want to check out all of that. And once you've identified this, next thing you want to see is who is actually talking about this token. So you go to this section saying search on Twitter, click on it, click on search for God's plan, and look out for who are tweeting about these coins. Are influencers tweeting about it, or just random guys? So this guy with 1,800 followers, this guy, try to look out for, okay, this guy 17,000, not bad. So just look out for a couple of guys that have been tweeting to say that, okay, their tweets are making waves, because that is how tokens actually move faster, when they have a lot more influencers tweeting about them. Now, aside from that, you can also go back and click on search on Twitter, click on search for CA. So just look out for who are tweeting about it, and you can also check out the guys, their socials, to see that, okay, they're actually active, and you feel like the token is going to do well if they actually continue with the whole process. So they've only made one tweet on the 13th. Today is 14th of October already. So you want to see their Telegram to see if it's very active and all of that. So once you're done with that, and then you're certain that, okay, this token is actually at a good price, you can actually copy the contract address and use BonkBot to buy this token. So I'm going to leave a link to BonkBot in the description. You can use that to sign up on BonkBot, just in case you have an account with BonkBot. So let's go there. So this is BonkBot. You can just come here, paste the contract address. I've actually made a video on how to set up your BonkBot account. I'm also going to leave a link to that in the description. So you come here and put in the amount you want to buy this token with, 1 Solana, 5 Solana, depending on what you want. Now, that is basically all of the steps on how to use this strategy to find coins that are going to do well. And I made a detailed video about how you can copy the trades of others using a platform called Auto Sniper. I'm going to leave a link to the platform in the description. So this is all of the steps on how to use these strategies. One way you can help yourself is by automating these trades, and you can do that by a method called copy trading. Now, I've talked about several platforms on this channel like Trojan Bot, Auto Snipe. I actually like Auto Snipe, and I recently made a video about it on how you can use it to do copy trading. If you want to check out how to do copy trading with Auto Snipe and Trojan Bot, I'm going to leave the link to it in the description, and link for you to sign up in the description. So use those links to sign up, because with this copy trading, you don't have to start looking for these tokens manually and then buying them. Since you've identified a very good wallet you can copy their trade, you can just go ahead and do some settings on some of these platforms I mentioned. And whenever they buy a token, it's going to buy for you automatically. And if they sell the token, it will also sell the token for you automatically. And that way, you will make profit for yourself instead of doing these things manually. Before I continue with this video, if you want to make money from airdrops, then do this airdrop right now. First thing you're going to do is to click the link in the description. Now, the link is going to bring you here, and you have to sign up with either Google, Binance, your email, or any other platform you actually want. So once you've signed up, log in your account right away. And once you log in, then click on these 3 dashes right here. Click on Lots Token. Scroll down and click on Start Earning. You can come here and claim these points daily. Refer your friends and claim your referral. Scroll down here and do some of these tags and go to the level 3 and claim all of them. And once you do that, you keep claiming points that will make you eligible for this airdrop. Now let's go back to this video. So make sure to check out the description for all links, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video.